In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 1 Zombies error. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Fixing this error, if you own Call of Duty Black Ops 1 through Steam, is very straightforward. You will have to download the game from your Steam library, and usually if any of the files were corrupted or missing during installation, you won't be allowed to access different modes of the game. Of course, this can also happen for zombies specifically. So what I would recommend is go over to Steam and switch over to your library. Inside of your Steam library, find Call of Duty Black Ops 1. You will notice that on this account, I don't own it at the moment. I apologize. So I'm gonna demonstrate the process that you have to follow using this Call of Duty title. But don't worry, just follow my steps and you will be able to follow it on Black Ops 1. So right-click Black Ops 1 on your library, go over to Properties, and inside of the properties for the game, what you have to do is switch over to Installed Files. Like I said, if you missed any important or vital files for the game to run, you are going to get error messages when trying to access the different modes. So in the Installed File properties, just go over and verify the integrity of the game files. As the name suggests, this is going to verify all the files that the game installed on your computer, and if it detects that any of them were missing or corrupted, they are going to be reacquired, so you are able to enter the game without any issues. Now, just let this process run in the background. It shouldn't take long because Black Ops 1 is not that big when it comes to storage size, and after it is done, try opening up the game again and entering zombies. If it still doesn't work, the last thing that I would recommend is doing a complete reinstall of the game. Even though the process kinda does the same thing, by reinstalling it from scratch, you are going to be able to ensure that you have the freshest install possible and that the game is working properly. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 1 Zombies error. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.